Hello, my name is Marian Porumbaru and I'm student of Batspa University. So today I'm presenting my business idea calling FreshBite. FreshBite is a smart vending machine services that provides healthy, affordable, ready-to-eat meals for students. The idea came from a problem many students face. They don't have the time, equipment, or money to cook proper meals, so they often rely on unhealthy snacks or fast food. So Fresh White solves this by offering chef preparates meals like salads, wraps, proteins, bowls, vegan options, and breakfast pots, available 24/7 on campus. To develop the idea, I carry out surveys, interviews, and peer feedbacks. Most students say they struggle to eat well, and over 80% say they will prefer a healthy vending options. Based on these feedbacks, the final concept included clear and allergens labels, cultural foods options, sustainable packagings, and a loyalty app. Overall, FreshBite offers a convenience, nutrition, and modern solutions for students' eating habits, making healthy foods easier to access anytime. Thank you very much.